What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share the difference between a stock 1.5 versus 1.5 that has a pedal commander. So my friend installed it on his we installed it on his car not too long ago. It's pretty much easy installation, as a plug and play, and at the same time we tested it out when it comes to like a performance, and surprisingly it's actually pretty fast. This car started pulling, like, I'm not gonna lie to you. And on top of that, I know some people have a comment or feeling that, you know, pedal commander is a waste of money, but I guess that depends on where you're coming from, or that depends on your taste. So for him, he tested it out and he loves it. So before I show you that video, that clip that we did for a friendly run, I just want to tell you guys that our 10th gen ace is back. So I have my account back, and surprisingly the same day I posted a video, the same very night we got my account back. Like I swear, like, I can't curse on this, but anyway, yeah, I have my account back, and cleaning up my DMs, proving to people that I'm back, and I've been answering personal questions that that other person and I, like, if you know personally, like, yeah, obviously I asked them, I required them to, like, you know, hey, answer my personal question that just you and me know. So that it's been a week. I'm trying to clean that up. So, like, there's a lot of people, it's like more than 300 people that this guy or this girl messaged. Anyways, so yeah, I have my Instagram back. And if you guys I don't know why it's spaced out in there. So if you guys need some help, you could just, like, DM me in there. 10th gen ace is back. And thank you for all the support that sent me a message saying everything's gonna be okay, and it turned out that it's okay. And that's pretty much it. So I have my account back. I don't know why I keep saying that, but let me show you the clip right now.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em, make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em if you take.
That's the result, right? So we tested out on sports mode. So I usually use the paddle shifters, but with this one I stick with the sports mode without using any paddle shifters, and he's just on plain sport mode. And there's a bunch of modes that you could do with it, but aside from that, yes, I was surprised that the difference between the pedal commander, what it brings you if you install that on your 1.5. So once you're driving, if you're driving, make sure that the area is not busy, and make sure to, like, be safe all the time, be a responsible driver, and we just had a little fun on that first 2 clips. And yeah, so before I end this video, I just want to let you guys know, I just want to make an announcement. If you're around New York, this coming Sunday, March 6th, I'm planning to throw a car meet, and it's been a while and weather's getting nice slowly, thank God. And it's gonna be a bunch of friends, Honda Accords as well, any car you got, any model, any makes, just pull up. It'll be fun just for us to like hang out, since I feel like winter's been so long. So anyways, I'm planning that. So March 6th, I don't know the full details yet, I'm still trying to sort that out, but once I get that sorted out, I'm gonna post it on my Instagram story, all the details. Or if not, if you have my personal number, or you can just DM me and I'll tell you all the details. So yeah, March 6th, there's gonna be a car meet, and I hope to see you guys there, like some of my subscribers and followers as well. So that's pretty much it. So make sure to like, subscribe to your boy. Let's get into 1,000. Share this video, drop a comment down by the section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.